hey, what's up mga Kokote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Hypogynous Ovary. Learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para maging updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Hypogynous, at tumatahol na naman po ang ating aso. But I will be maximizing my voice para syempre marinig nyo ako. So wait, sawayin ko lang. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. So yan, medyo ayaw pa rin yung tumahimik. But that's our lesson for today is about fruit formation. So we will find objectives, how the fruit formation is the nagpo-process, how the fruit formations have the cycle, or how the fruit formation was all about. What is all about fruit formation. So, yan, medyo nagulo ang ating sentence. So, but, let's start with a new trivia. So, yan, nagkumaway pa siya sa inyo yung topic. So, yan, ang ating trivia for today. Onions contain a mild antibiotic that can fight infection and soothe burn. So, like aloe vera kanina, onions can soothe burn. And onions contain a mild antibiotic that can fight infection. Wow! So, onion is very yummy when it comes to pagluluto. So, meron tayong onion rings na tinatawag na niluluto din, na super sarap din. And onions have different uses here in our kitchen, and remedies, and skin. So, there are specific uses of onions na limited lang naman din talaga. So, but onions contain a mild antibiotic that can fight infection and soothe burn. So, that's the main function, or the main advantage of using a onion. So, dito na tayo sa ating lesson proper. Next tayo. When the egg in the ovule has been fertilized, the petal, sepals, and upper part of the pistil wither and begun to fall away. So, here, so, diba kapag bago lang yung flower, there's still a bud, like this. Pero super intact pa niya, para nakaganyan pa nga siya eh. Alam niyo yung parang pag ganun yung itsura niya pa. So, kapag na-fertilize na yung egg, na-fertilize na sa ovule, so the petals, sepals, and the upper part of the pistil began to wither, to fall away. So, yan. Parang bigla siyang magbo-bloom na ganyan. So, ganyan ang nangyayari. So, as the seed develops, the ovary that surrounds it and the largest and become the fruit. A fruit is defined as the ripened ovary that contains the seed of the plant. So, this is the example of our sa picture natin how this will follow. So, yan. This is the sepals. This is the sepals. So, yan. So, yung dalawang ganyan. So, this is the sepal, yung paganyang dahon. And this is the petals. So, a fruit is defined as the ripened ovary that contains the seed of the plant. So, yan ang ating petals and sepals. So, this is the itsura of petals, and this is the sepals. So, next tayo. So, the remains of the sample can be seen at the end of the fruit. Look at the illustration. The apple developed from a hypogynous ovary because the sepals are on the upper part and the fruit opposite to the stem. So, gagamit po tayo ng ink. So, this is the fruit. So, this is the fruit. This white one. So, this is the fruit, and this is the apple. The whole apple na wala pang kagad. So, yan, the remains of the apple. So, apple developed from yan, tanggalin natin yung A, from an hypogynous ovary because the sepals are on the upper part of the fruit opposite to the stems. The sepals are on the upper part of the fruit opposite to the stem. So, yan. So, itong lesson natin to is parang super short lang din, like photoperiodism. It's very self-explanatory and super dali lang talaga ng lesson niya. So manonotice nyo na medyo maikli yung time frame niya. So, tanggalin natin yung ink. So, next tayo. Fruit like the strawberry and eggplant have their samples near them. Peduncle, such that fruit is above them to strawberry has a hypogynous ovary. So, next tayo. Fruits may be fleshy or dry. Fleshy fruits develop juicy fruit walls that are full of water and sugar. Examples are oranges, peaches, mangoes, watermelons, and apples. So this one is the fleshy and this is the dry fruit. So fleshy fruits develop juicy fruit walls that are full of water and sugar. So makikita nyo sa P, it's very dry. But the fleshy fruit has a water and sugar, and the best example of that is mangoes, oranges, watermelons, apples, na talagang source ng mga water. So, yan ang ating lesson for fruit formation. So, magne-next na lang tayo. Magre-recap tayo. So, yan. So, lipat natin yan. So, yan ating trivia about, about onions. And this is when the egg has been fertilized, the petal, sepals, and the upper part will wither and begin to fall away. So, this is the fruit is defined as the ripened ovary that contains the seed of the plant. So, always remember that. So, look at the apple and it is made from Hypogynous ovary because the sepals are on the upper part of the fruit opposite to the stem. So, ito. Strawberry has hypogynous ovary like the apple. And the fleshy and dry fruits. And fleshy is ito. So, pag sinabi nating dry fruit, so nag-next na siya agad. I'm sorry. So, yung dry fruit, super dry. Super ganun lang. Pag nakita mo, yan lang. Wala siyang water or sugar or something. It's very dry. So, when we say fleshy, it has a fruit walls that contains water and sugar. So, that would be our lesson for today. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. So, click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions, clarifications, and suggestions for our videos. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!